Have you ever gotten stuck in a particular design, or because you're confused on choosing the best background that will rhyme with your design? Do you spend lots of time in one design because of this same reason? Then stick with me to the end of this video as I'll be unveiling the secrets behind choosing the best and professional backgrounds for your designs. Alright, at this point, what I'm going to do here for you to be able to learn how you're going to be able to select nice designs that will suit uh nice background that will suit your design. All you do is you first of all you import the materials you want to use to design the particular flyer or the particular design. So let me assume I want to use a particular uh design or something. So let me assume I want to use this particular image for a design. What I'll do is once I select this picture and maybe I'm confused on the type of background I'm going to use that will fit this picture. What I'll do is that I'll just go to this center place and go to color. I'll go to color, yes. But first of all, I'll mark this good. Then I'll take a shape. Just take shapes and place it like this, and then I'll go to colors this time around. Go to color, enable it, and tap this plus sign. Then at this point, I'll go to this place. Then I'll be selecting this particular thing from here. So at this point, what I'll do is I'll have to move this icon to the shirt, so I'll be able to select the color of the shirt and then tick good. Once I select it like this, then I can now go over to this place, go to color, and I'll be selecting this color as the background. So in order to know the particular color I want to select for this design, I can pick it from the shirt, I can pick it from the color of the clothes, and also from the color of anything surrounding this image I want to use. So I'll be using another picture like this to cite another example. So let me go to my gallery and I'll pick another image from here. For example, I would like to be picking one of these images. So I can just decide to pick so I can just decide to pick this particular one. Then I'll crop this out in such a way whereby you want to select a good gradient you want to use. You can also make use of this particular method. So let me assume that I'm using this picture as the material. Let me just mask this particular one. So I want to use this picture to make my design. What I will do is that after selecting it like this, then I'll go to I can just tap on this particular shape that is here to, or pick another shape, then go to color, and I'll be selecting these two. Then I can place this on the skin color just like this, mark good and mark OK. So if I want to select the background at this point, I can be selecting this color, that is to match the color with the skin. Or another way I can do this is I can select from the color of the clothes, that is I can select from the scarf, the color of the scarf, maybe this color, this particular color like this. I can select this color, mark good, then OK, change the background to this particular color again. So this is how you can be able to pick the right colors, the right backgrounds for your pictures. There are different ways you can also apply this. There are some images that have multicolors like yellow, red, blue, or thereabouts. All you have to do at that point is to select the particular color that is much on that image. For example, this particular one, this particular green color is a kind of much on this image, so it will be better to select this dirty green color than to select the skin color. So there are some designs you can see like that, and there are some materials you can also see like that. So this is how you can be able to pick the correct color that will match your design, the correct color that will suit your designs professionalism. So if this video was useful to you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to share this video to your friends, share this video to people who you know might be needing it, so that others can also learn what you've learned from this channel. All right, so I'll be expecting you all in my next video.